Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for my very first art marker color. So let's continue our unboxing and see how the colors are. But first friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. So let's continue. The markers are very nice, they are very smooth, they have very nice colors, and especially this bag, I like it so much because you can easily carry the colors anywhere you want. So friends, this was a very small video for unboxing my new marker colors. They are very cheap and they are very nice. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.